Hi everyone, welcome back to the science online lesson. Let us continue the previous lesson, reduce, reuse, recycle. Page 79. Lesson objective, to discuss about biodegradable bags. Open page 79 in your textbook. New product for a purpose. Lots of people want more environmentally friendly packaging materials. Scientists are working hard to develop materials that meet this need. Hope you remember about the topic that we were discussing during the previous class. We were discussing about the disadvantages of plastic. Basically, we have discussed about the advantages as well as the disadvantages of plastic. What were the main disadvantages? Okay, what are the main drawbacks? That means the plastic causes pollution, right? Also, the plastic is made from oil. That means that oil is a non-renewable resource. That means non-renewable means we cannot get it back once it is used. So it is made from non-renewable resource. Also, the plastic was non-biodegradable. What do you mean by non-biodegradable? That means any substance that which cannot be broken down by the natural process of decay. Like it cannot be decayed by microorganisms. Okay. Because of this property, that is, since it is biodegradable, once we are dumping into the sea or oceans, what happens? It will not be decayed. So it will affect the marine life, right? So the scientists were trying to develop a product which can be used instead of plastic. Yesterday some of you told about the cotton bags, right? But cotton bags has also disadvantages. That means some of the materials we cannot use cotton bags. Like instead of plastic, we cannot use cotton bags. Like as you told, we cannot use like water. We cannot put in a cotton bag, right? So there are some disadvantages that the cotton bag cannot be used. But the scientists were looking for a product that we can use instead of plastic, which will be having the same properties like plastic. So they have discovered how to make a polythene-like polymer from cornstarch. Cornstarch comes from a plant maize. Okay, I know everyone knows about popcorn, right? The popcorn is obtained from a plant maize. From the same plant we can get the cornstarch, which can be used for making the cornstarch bags, which will be similar like plastic bags, but the cornstarch bags has many advantages. At the same time, it is not perfect. But let us see some of the opinions of some of the people. This boy is telling that the bags only biodegrade if they are in the right conditions. We told that that cornstarch bags are biodegradable, but the thing is that they are biodegradable only if they are in the right conditions. If there are certain conditions like, then only it will be biodegradable. There is a world food shortage. We should use land to grow food, not bags. And this girl is telling that we know that there is a lot of food shortage in the world, right? That means many of the people are not even getting the food at the proper time. They are not able. So many people are dying because of hunger. In this scenario, it's not so good to use the food that we can use that food instead of making bags, right? We can use the corn can be used as food instead of bags. So this is the opinion of one girl, and the opinion of other one is the cornstarch bags are biodegradable. She is telling that the cornstarch bags are biodegradable. Microbes make them rot when the bags are buried in soil. But the point is that the cornstarch bags are biodegradable. Farmers use tractors and fertilizers to grow maize. I don't know whether you have seen tractors. This is a picture of a tractor. Tractor is a vehicle that is used in agriculture. Okay, this is the tractor. I don't know whether you have seen it or not. Okay. Farmers use tractors and fertilizers to grow maize. What is a fertilizer? You have learned about this in Unit 3. Hope you remember about it. Fertilizers increases the plant growth by supplying the extra minerals. Making fertilizers and driving tractors both use fossil fuels. Okay. In order to run this tractor, as well as for making the fertilizers, we are using the fossil fuels. Fossil fuels like petrol, diesel, all these are fossil fuels. While burning these fossil fuels, what we are producing, what is produced? Carbon dioxide is produced. That means again this carbon dioxide is causing the pollution, right? So he is telling that farmers using, so again in turn they are producing indirectly it is producing pollution. That means producing corn is producing pollution. My customers like cornstarch bags. They are transparent and flexible. This is the picture of a cornstarch bag. Okay, this is reusable. It is written reusable, recyclable, and also biodegradable. Okay, she is telling that my customers like cornstarch bags. They are transparent and flexible. They stop air and dirt getting to the food. Okay. Explain the meaning of the word biodegradable. I told you so many times. Biodegradable describes any substance which can be broken down by natural process of decay. Give one reason for using cornstarch bags instead of polythene bags. Cornstarch bags are biodegradable, but polythene bags are not. Give one problem of cornstarch bags. We discuss about so many things, so you can write any answer. The tractors and fertilizers used for growing maize uses fossil fuels, right? That means when we are using tractors and fertilizers, what we are using fossil fuels. This fossil fuels is in turn producing the carbon dioxide. That's how it will cause the pollution. Copy and complete. These are the differences between these differences as well as some of the similarities of the polythene and cornstarch. Okay, now let us discuss about the properties. Both are transparent and flexible. Hope you remember about transparent. Transparent means that we can see through it. Okay, both are transparent and flexible. What it is made from? Polythene is made from oil, while cornstarch is made from corn or maize. Benefits of using this material to wrap food. It stops air and dirt getting to the food. The same in case of cornstarch also. It stops air and dirt getting into the food. And the other main advantage is that it is biodegradable, while polythene is non-biodegradable. Problems of using this material to wrap food. Polythene is non-biodegradable, made from oil, which is not a renewable resource. Okay, it is non-biodegradable and it is made from oil. Okay, which is a non-renewable resource. It means it cannot be replaced. And cornstarch, it is growing. Cornstarch uses fuel and fertilizers that we already discussed. Land used to grow the corn for bags could be used for food. Hope everything is clear. I have uploaded the notes along with the video. Please go through it and study well. Thank you very much.